sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. This is K1 from grade 10 Topaz. Today my speech on about success. Success is a meeting point at wide range of experience. Success will not come any problems without any hard work. We want to fix a goal. To achieve it, we will do hard work towards your goal. One day you will get the success. That day you said, I will get my success. Thank you.
Yeah. I am K. Topaz. Today I am delivering speech on education. Education is the powerful weapon which can be change the world. Education is very important for employment students all over the world. Educated people are not dependent on others. They are always independent. Education gives us respect and knowledge how to behave in society. Education is nothing but the modification of behavior. Thank you.
Today I am telling about my mother. My mother name is Vidata. She is a homemaker. She is 30 years old. My mother teaches me speak truth. My mother is a best cook. I love my mother. My mother is my life. She is my best friend. She is a very beautiful girl. She is kind lady. Thank you. Today I am telling about my father. My father name is K. He is a farmer. I like my father very much. He helped in my studies. My real hero is my father. He takes care of my all family. Thank you. My name is Shivama. I am from grade 7. Now I am saying about my father. My father name is KVS. He is 38 years old. He is a farmer. He is my real hero. He is everything to me. I love him very much. He always helps in my studies. My father is a kind person. He is an inspiration to me. He is a great human being. He takes care of all my family. Thank you. My name is Dhanisha. I am saying grade 7. I am telling about my mother. My mother name is Nandini. He is a businessman. He is 38 years old. He is my real hero. I love him very much. He is a great human being. He takes care of my family. Thank you. Today's short biography of Mahendra is Shruti of grade 10. Mahendra Singh. He is a legendary cricketer and he is known as captain and master. He born on 7 July 1981 in Ranchi, Jharkhand, before he was Bihar. He was a goalkeeper while he was in childhood, and he started his journey in cricket 2nd December 2004, and he had made a Janchal Kerala Award by Indian government and Padma Shri in 2011, Padma Bhushan in 2008. Thank you.
Virat Kohli is watched by Venugopal from grade 10 Topaz. Do you know who is Virat Kohli? Yes, he was born on November 5th on 1988 in Delhi to Suraj Kohli and Prem Kohli, and she was very dangerous player and aggressive player in cricket team, and she was studying up to 11th class in Vishal Bharati and Xavier Convent School, and she and after he was selected to under 19 team in cricket, and he played well and he gave dedication to it, and he was succeed. And we are teachers are you want to succeed in any field, you have to keep dedication and hard work in it. Thank you.
Saying about introduce myself. My name is Keshav Kumar. I am from grade 5 Sapphire. I am 12 years old. My school name is S.R. Vijayaniketan International School. My father name is K.V.S. He is a farmer. My mother name is Kesujata. She is a farmer. My favorite subject is English. My class teacher name is Sir, and I want to become a Indian Army. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Netra of grade 10 Jasper, here to give a small speech. I am going to say a small story about Lord Ganesha. Once Lord Shiva gave a task to Lord Ganesha and Kartikeya to go all over the world and to take bath in all the rivers. Then Kartikeya went to all the rivers, but Lord Ganesha did not go. He just moved around his parents, made a round. He made a round around Lord Shiva and Parvati, and he said that I cannot win this task. And Lord Shiva excused him. And when Kartikeya was taking bath, he just saw that Lord Ganesha has already taken bath in all rivers and he was going in front of him. He was first. From this story, we can just say that no other Lord is greater than our parents. Parents are the one who comes after you. They are the one who takes care of you. You all are here only because of your parents. They are the gods who we can see. They are the one who comes after us. Thank you.
Question for grade 1. Which animal noun of strip of desert? You pick the right answer. Let us check it. Question for grade 2. How many colors are there in rainbow? 7. You pick the right answer. Let us check it. Question for grade 3. How many days are there in a year?
365 days.
You pick the right answer. Let us check it. How many vowels are there in English alphabet? You pick the right answer. Let us check it. Question for grade 5. Which fruit of India, national fruit of India? You pick the right answer. Let us check it. Thank you.
Here, myself J. Sandeep Naidu of grade 10 Topaz, here to inspire you by giving a speech on great pursuit. He faced a lot of problems and struggles and failures in his life. He was born on 2nd September 1968 in Bapatla, Andhra Pradesh, to a police constable and a homemaker. He learned karate to change his shape. He learned karate to change his image. Impressed by his fighting abilities, he also struggled in real life as well as in professional life. He started his film career at the age of 25 years and gave 6 back-to-back box office hits, and also he made a political comeback, a party named Jana Sena, and he is none other than Power Star Pawan Kalyan, the Deputy CM of Andhra Pradesh. And he is a man of margin, and I am very glad to give a speech on account of his birthday. Thank you.
Speech on deforestation is brought to you by Rehan Pasha of Red Topaz. Deforestation. Nowadays, lot of deforestation is happening in India due to population. Before China was in first place in population, now India crossed China and now India is in first place in population. Nowadays, lot of deforestation is happening for our needs and for our luxury. We are cutting down the trees and we are constructing buildings, apartments, hospitals and etc. for our needs and for our betterment. If this situation happens continuously in India, it may lead to a situation where the deoxygenated and polluted air will be present in the atmosphere. If we breathe this deoxygenated and polluted air, it may lead to health problems and our health may be affected. The situation will come when we buy oxygen in next generation. For example, in our previous generation, like our grandfather's generation, they are not habituated to buy water. Like in our generation, we are buying water. Liter water bottle is 20 rupees. But in our previous generation, they are not buying this water and they are going to their neighbor's house or rivers or ponds. They will drink from there because fresh water was available everywhere. The same situation will come in our next generation. They will buy the oxygen for some money. So to avoid this situation, I request all the SRBs to, if we cut one tree, we should plant 2 trees. Thank you and have a good day.
Say the story. The story name is Last Child. There was once upon a time, there was one village, and in that village there is one family, and in that family there were 3 members: father, mother, and one child. And the child never visit outside, and beside of his village there is going on fair, and the child want to visit the fair, and he asked to his father, and his father said no, and the child cried a lot, and later next day, and the father went to the child to the fair, and when they are entering to the fair, and the child was so excited and very happy, and is feeling very happy, and when they are there, he seen many like giant wheel and speed shops and many things, and the child was started smelling the sweet smells, and he wanted that, and anyway he know that if I ask to my father, and if he will not give, and once I want to ask to my father, and he started asking to his father, and his father said no, and afterwards, and they started to visiting to the fair, and it was very sunny, and the father and mother want to sit under the tree, and the child seen the one game there is going on. There were many people, and the child want to go there, and he didn't care about his parents, and he went to that game, and he started seeing that game, and there were many people, and he was feeling very happy, and he want to play that game, and he want to ask to his father, and when he looked back, there is no parents, and he lost his parents, and he lost his parents, and he started crying. When he lost his parents, and he started crying, and he crying a lot, and he screaming, and one uncle came and asked, "What happened, my dear child?" And he said, "I lost my parents, and he started crying and screaming. He asked to uncle, and he wanted his parents, and the uncle said, you take these sweets, and the child said, no, I don't want, only I want my parents. And he said, and the uncle is begging to give him to the sweets, and he's not taking, and the child is not taking, he wants only his parents. And there is a one quotation in Telugu, నీ జీవితాన్ని ఇచ్చిన నీ తల్లిదండ్రులకు నీకు ఏమి కావాలో వాళ్ళకు బాగా తెలుసు. నీ ఆనందం కోసం వారిని ఎప్పుడు బాధ చేయకు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.